Reference. I'm laying in the bed part of the van and Kevin is sitting right here. So last night Kevin was in that spot and I was like just laying down. He just came in and they started being all weird. And he was like, I've been stressing out the last few days trying to find the perfect spot. And I'm just like, what are you saying right now? He got down on one knee, holding a ring, and he proposed. I obviously said yes. And I guess he had been carrying this ring around with him the last few days, just in his pocket, just waiting for the perfect spot. And if you know Kevin, you know that is the most Kevin way to propose. Very logical and thought out, and he was trying to get it on video, because I set up my tripod quite a bit to get videos and like pictures of us, so he was gonna try and do that. But he said he feels much better now and can actually enjoy vacation because he's not stressing out. Right, Kevin? That's right.
Nothing like your smile in the morning.
Has the ring in his pocket since, you know, he was carrying it around for days, just waiting for the perfect spot. I think
it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to find, oh, oh, easier to find, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away, and the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to find, oh, oh, easier to find, oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love, oh, oh. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love. that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new.
Don't catch your marshmallow on
Are
fire.
you making a how-to video on how to make the most perfect marshmallow ever?
Yeah, and this is the section on what not to do. You're supposed to just set them on fire. Like, that's taking you forever.
Who cares?
Like,
It's
don't
gonna
you-
be better.
No, it won't.
You like when the burnt skin sticks to the top of your mouth?
Yes.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I like the crunch of it.
You're a liar.
Yeah, I do. Why would I make them like that if I didn't like it?
Because you're just
Savage. I'm posing.
You're a poser. You're distracting me from your
Like, that doesn't even look like you're toasting it at all. That looks like you just took it out of the bag.
Look at that perfection right there.
You just took it out of the bag and just put it on the graham cracker. That would save
It's
you.
not it's not what it looks like on the outside that matters. It's what's on the inside.
Words of wisdom.
The inside of mine is gonna be melty and good. Alright, so for this part of the video, it's how not to make a marshmallow.
No, this is the part on how to make marshmallow.
I think you're mistaken. It's on fire.
Yeah, go back in. Get a whole thing.
If you look closely, it's a meteorite heading for Earth.
You gotta let the air burn it out.
I think it's dead.